Welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into the enchanting world of foxes. Learn about their agile movements, varied habitats, and their role in ecosystems. Join us for fascinating facts and discoveries about these cunning creatures. Subscribe now to uncover more about the natural world. At number 1, foxes have a unique way of hunting. They use a technique called caching, where they hide food for later use. At number 2, foxes can climb trees. Some species of foxes, like the gray fox, are excellent climbers and can often be found in trees. At number 3, foxes have a highly developed sense of smell. They can detect scents that are too faint for humans to detect. At number 4, foxes can hear sounds from miles away. Their hearing is so sharp that they can detect sounds from up to 5 miles away. At number 5, foxes can see in color. Unlike many other mammals, foxes have color vision, which helps them hunt and navigate. At number 6, foxes can run upside down. Some species of foxes, like the Arctic fox, can run upside down on snowy slopes. At number 7, foxes have a unique way of communicating. They use a variety of vocalizations, including screams, barks, and yips. At number 8, foxes can jump high. Some species of foxes can jump as high as 6 feet in a single bound. At number 9, foxes have a unique way of keeping warm. They use a technique called countercurrent heat exchange to keep their legs and feet warm in cold temperatures. At number 10, foxes have a long history of domestication. Foxes were domesticated by humans as early as 10,000 years ago and were used for fur and hunting. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the untouched wonders of nature. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest explorations. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the beauty of our natural world. See you in the next video.